Tired of juggling phone calls, messy calendars, and missed appointments? Wish there was a simpler way for your clients to book with you anytime, anywhere? If you're a salon owner, a fitness instructor, a massage therapist, or anyone in the service industry, then you know the struggle is real. The constant back and forth, the scheduling conflicts, the sheer amount of administrative work that eats into your valuable time. Imagine a world where your booking system works tirelessly for you, even while you sleep, ensuring your calendar is always full and your clients are happy. That's where Vagaro comes in. It's a powerful, all-in-one platform designed to streamline your business operations, and one of its most impactful features is online booking. Enabling online booking on Vagaro isn't just about convenience. It's about empowering your clients, reducing your workload, and ultimately, growing your business. Think about it. Clients can check your availability, browse your services, and book an appointment with their preferred staff member whenever it suits them. Whether it's 2 a.m. on a Tuesday or during their lunch break on a Friday. No more playing phone tag, no more lost booking requests, just seamless, efficient scheduling. But how do you unlock this power? How do you go from a traditional manual booking system to a fully automated 24/7 online booking machine on Vagaro? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to get your online booking up and running smoothly. Before we jump into the technicalities, let's briefly touch upon why this is so crucial. In today's digital age, convenience is king. People expect to be able to do everything online, from ordering food to booking flights, and appointments are no exception. By offering online booking, you're not just keeping up with the times. You're providing a superior customer experience. This translates to happier clients, increased bookings, and a more professional image for your business. Plus, Vagaro's online booking integrates with various platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Yelp, expanding your reach and making it incredibly easy for new clients to discover and book with you. Okay, enough talk about why. Let's get to the how. The first thing you need to do is ensure your Vagaro account is properly set up. This means your business profile is complete. Your services are defined with accurate descriptions, durations, and pricing, and your staff members are added with their respective availabilities. Think of this as laying the foundation for your online booking house. Without a solid foundation, the rest won't stand strong. Once your foundational elements are in place, the real magic begins. You'll want to navigate to your Vagaro settings. On the web version, you'll typically find this under Settings and then Booking. This is where you'll find the heart of your online booking configuration. A critical step is enabling online booking for each of your employees. Even if your business has general online booking enabled, individual employees also need to have this setting turned on in their profiles. This ensures that clients can select their preferred stylist, trainer, or therapist when booking. To do this, you'll go to Settings, then Employee Profiles, select the employee, and look for the online booking toggle. Make sure it's switched to on. If you have multiple locations, you'll need to do this for each employee at each relevant location. Next, you'll want to explore the Online Appointment Rules section. This is where you truly customize how your online booking behaves. This feature is incredibly powerful and allows you to set parameters that protect your business while offering flexibility to your clients. For example, you can configure Auto-Assign Employee. Do you want Vagaro to automatically assign an employee if the client doesn't specify one? Or do you require clients to choose? This is particularly useful for businesses where specific employee requests aren't always necessary. Membership or package required to book. If you offer exclusive services for members or those with packages, you can set rules to require these before booking. This prevents non-members from booking services they aren't eligible for. Require acceptance for online booking. For certain services or new clients, you might want to manually approve bookings. This gives you an extra layer of control and allows you to vet appointments before they're confirmed. You can even set this based on the number of no-shows or cancellations a client has. Block new customers from online booking. If you're a busy salon focusing on existing clientele, this feature lets you temporarily block new customers from booking online. Limit how far in advance a customer can book. This prevents clients from booking appointments too far into the future, helping you manage your long-term schedule more effectively. You can set this from as little as 1 day to up to 3 years. Cancellation and rescheduling policies. Clearly define how far in advance clients can cancel or reschedule, minimizing last-minute disruptions. These policies are crucial for managing your time and revenue. Beyond these rules, you can also set up a waitlist feature. Vagaro offers several waitlist options, including You Pick, Manual Acceptance, Moneymaker, prioritizes highest-priced appointments, First in Line, notifies the first person on the list, and Instant Book, notifies all waitlisted clients, first to book gets the spot. This is a fantastic way to fill last-minute cancellations and maximize your schedule. Once you've configured your online appointment rules, you'll want to consider the booking widget. This widget is your direct link to online bookings from your website, social media, or marketing campaigns. You can customize its appearance, including button color themes, and even create different widgets for specific service providers or business locations. The process typically involves going to Settings, Booking, Booking widget. Here, you can select which employees and services to include, the default tab that opens, and even a redirect URL after booking to track conversions or offer a thank you page. Vagaro will then generate the HTML code or a direct link for you to easily embed or share. Don't forget about integrating with Google My Business, Facebook, and Instagram. Vagaro makes it incredibly simple to connect your booking system to these platforms, allowing clients to book directly from your social media pages or even through Google search results and Google Maps. This significantly increases your visibility and accessibility. Make sure your business information is consistent across all platforms. For Google My Business, ensure your name and address match your Vagaro profile, and that List Business on Google is toggled on in your Vagaro settings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.